Hello, here do the final test for the 3D HIFU machine for facelift wrinkle removal. There are two modes. You can adjust professional here. Here the width wide. You can adjust here. You can see there are 11 lines. And here the length you can adjust here. The biggest one is 25 and the clearance. The clearance means the spacing between two lines. The spacing between two lines. And the pitch means the spacing between 2 points. And the power of the adjust here. The biggest is 2. And there's the parameter you can save. Here the total shot. Here you can adjust your patient's name, ID, and the total light. Yes, the two mode you can see different treatment part you can adjust. For face, you can adjust. It's the same. There's the white and the pitch adjust, and the power here adjust. You can see the patient total shot, and these different parts suggest the shot you need to treatment, and the lens here, and the clearance here. Different part is the same. And you can see your cartridge. This 6 point and 16, 8, and 13. Yes, the 10, the 3, and the 4.5. Yes, 7 cartridges. First we do the test for 6. We can use this. 6 we often suggest for the body. Yellow. Yes, just first adjust the and need to adjust the power from lowest to high according to the customer's feeling. Okay, start. First you need to put some gel and heat. This is the turn on button. You can turn them here. Only press one time. If you hear choose two lights, you only press the button one time. It will shoot 2 lights. If you adjust 3, they will the same. Okay, we can do another cartridges. Just like this, and then pull out the cartridges. Okay, we can adjust this 3 point. Just like this. This can for face. We usually used for face. And you don't need to press the stop button, and then can change the cartridges. To the test for 4.5. Also can be used for the face. A point. This is for the body, but we can use this professional mode. You can see here, it means we have shot 4 lines. Means it's not enough that's here. You can see the shot here, because we have not enough the depth for this 10 cartridge and 13 and 60. So we cannot do the test, but we can show you is enough shot and it can work. Okay. This 13. You can see the total shot here. And we try another. The last one, 16. You can see the 16 and the total shot here. Also, you can see here. We have shot 7.